Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel and Facebook page Informates. In this particular video, I will tell you a little bit about CAC 1000 plus tablets. So first of all, I would like to tell you the composition of CAC 1000 plus. So there is some vitamin D3, vitamin D, vitamin C, calcium bicarbonate. So these are the combination of CAC 1000 plus. So I would like to tell you now what are the benefit or uses of CAC 1000 plus. If you have some problem related to your osteoarthritis or weaknesses there in your muscles or your bones, so you can use this kind of tablets because this is very important tablets which can help you to reduce the pain related to your osteoarthritis. So it can be used for ricket disease. So ricket is a kind of disease which is due to some problem of vitamin D3 deficiency. So if someone is there problem related to ricket disease, they can use this one. So we can also use vitamin C, because vitamin C is also composition of CAC 1000 plus for sneezing, for allergic reaction, for watery eye or sore throat or other related problem which are related to the allergy, because CAC 1000 plus containing vitamin C, so which is a very important function against allergy. So these were some uses of CAC 1000 plus. So now I would like to tell you what are the side effects if you are using. In some cases it may cause allergic reactions, and mostly if you are using an overdose, so it may cause kidney stone, which is a very dangerous one. So whenever you are using this kind of tablets, you need to take a lot of water, because if you are using a lot of water, so there is a less chances that you may happen a kidney stone. So you need to drink a lot of water. The good time for this to use this kind of tablets early in the morning, because there is a great possibility you can take a lot of water after this. So who cannot take this kind of tablets? So those they are some problem of heart disease, or those people they have some kidney disease, and these people cannot use this one tablets. This tablets is also very important during pregnancy. So this was a little bit about CAC 1000 plus. See you again next video. Thank you very much.